possible, but this is my fault for not remembering how I put the sleeve, the belt buckle originally. I didn't film myself doing it, so this is kind of my fault that I'm doing it the hardest way possible. Oh well.
You are so stupid.
I didn't properly twist it. This got twisted, so I did it wrong. Make sure it is straightened. So this all the way straightened. Let's check and make sure that they're the equal length. They're not. See this? This is exactly 2 finger lengths.
What?
This has to be exactly the same. It's not. Okay, now it is. This is too long because this is only 1 finger length. So I have to shorten this. 1 finger length.
What?
1 finger length. 1 finger length. 1 finger length.
What?
2 finger lengths. 2 finger lengths. 2 finger lengths.
What?
2 finger lengths. So it actually matches now. Next part is you have to take this little end. You see that belt buckle went through? I have to take this end, stuff it back inside here. Because right here is exactly what I did. I have to do the same thing. I am going to have to give this one a little length, so that way this is not so tight and it's got some room, so when I take this end and stuff it through here, and it loops right out here and goes back inside and comes out here, it'll look just like this. See, there's 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's take a look. Alright.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Sorry. 1, 2. So now, what are we going to do with all of this? This extra slat, as you'll see right here. What is all this length going to be going for? Well, that loop you saw there, loops through here, goes inside, in here, all the way inside, and then outwards. Just like that. That's the goal. We're going to do the same thing with this.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
I should make sure you point this out. When you're assembling the arm, make sure that you have this position just right, because I just had this thought that, let's say I was looping all of this belt buckle and I found out that this elbow was actually in other words, let's say this end was facing the opposite direction and you push the hole through this. Just make sure you don't do that, because then you're going to find yourself having to take the entire belt buckle completely apart to set it in the right spot. So just make sure you double check your work. Okay, so this is the right arm and this is the left arm. Okay. Alright. Back to work. Back up a little bit. Make sure it is straight. Make sure you don't have something like this. That is a no-no. That is a no-no.
That is a no-no. That is a no-no. That is a no-no.
You don't want it twisted, because then it's going to have bad results. I'm going to go under and come right through this hole right there. Okay, let's do this. Let's make sure have it perfectly measured just like it. So far we don't.
That's what she said.
Here, it should be exactly 3.
What?
Because, see, 1, 2,
What?
3. This is 3 fingers quality. Intentionally make it a little bit loose, because I need to make enough room where this end here, is going to loop through this area and out here and inside twice. Just need to put this. Maybe I don't know. To help push it in. I just realized. You see this little? You see these little ridges that are right there? Notice how this one doesn't? That's because it's on the other side. So we're gonna flip it backwards. As much of a pain in the ass this is. There we go, you can see it. Wow, I did not think this had enough. This had this much resistance. Wow. Alright, time to see how much it measures. I'm technically wrong. This actually is 2 fingers. This one is actually a little too long. Even though I said 3. That's because I was saying 3 fingers because I was basing off the length of this, but when you actually tuck it and move it out of the way, like this, it's actually 2 fingers long. So this is the right arm. I'm sorry, this is the right arm. So this actually needs to get shortened just a little bit. Right there. All right. I think we got it. 2 fingers. 2 fingers. This is the left arm. Also, 2 fingers. A little bit of slack. 2 fingers. Technically, this is 1 between the belt buckle here. This is also 1 finger as well. That's going to be basically the whole theme here. But yeah, we got it.